Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Fidelity Bank mobile app, updated. Open the app and sign in with your username and password, enable biometric login for faster access, and set up a secure 4-digit PIN. Navigate the dashboard to view account balances, recent transactions, and pending transfers. Use the transfer feature to move funds between accounts, schedule recurring transfers, and check transaction confirmations before exiting safely. Open the app and tap accounts to see checking, savings, and credit balances in one view. Tap an account to view details, filter transactions by date or amount, and export statements when needed. To update personal info, go to Settings, edit contact details, and confirm changes with your password or biometric method. Enable alerts to monitor deposits, low balances, and suspicious activity so you stay informed and in control of your finances. Tap Transfer or Pay to move money between your Fidelity accounts or send to external banks. Add a new external account by entering routing and account numbers, verify microdeposits, and label the account for future use. For bill pay, add payees, schedule one-time or recurring payments, and confirm payment dates and amounts. Always review pending transactions and keep transaction receipts or screenshots until the payment posts to your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.